Hello all, I'm your English teacher, Christy Grace. In this video, we are going to see our lesson 3. Our lesson 3 is the test. Come, let's see. Here, I have shown a picture of a plant and also I have marked the parts of the plant. Can you see that? Yes. These are all the major 5 parts of the plant: root, stem, leaves, flower and the fruit, right? So these 5 are the parts of that plant. Miss Patel loved plants. She taught the students in her class how to grow plants in pot. So here Miss Patel is a teacher and also she is very fond of plants and she is also teaching her students how to grow plants in pot. There was a little garden behind their classroom. She helped the children dig the soil, sow seeds and water them. So there is a garden behind their classroom. So went to the garden and Miss Patel helped the children dig the soil, sow seeds and water them. What is dig? Removing mud from the ground with a tool. Removing mud, okay? Dig means removing mud from the ground. And also what is the meaning of sow? Sow is nothing. It's a putting the seeds in the soil is called sow, right? The students and Miss Patel were happy to see the plants grow. So they enter into the garden and they sow the seed and they are eagerly waiting to see the growth of the plants. One day, Miss Patel told her students, I will give each of you a seed and a pot to take home. During her class, Miss Patel is telling to her students that she is going to give a seed as well as a pot to take home. And also she is telling you should sow the seed, water it and make it grow into a big plant. She is telling that you just sow the seed, water it and make it grow into a big plant. You should not then bring the plants to school after 3 months. The healthiest plants will get a prize. So Miss Patel is telling we must not bring the plants to the school. We have to bring the plants after 3 months only. We have to bring the plants to the school. The healthiest plant will get prize. So she is announcing a competition who is growing a plant in a healthy manner to give a prize. All the children in the class, they were excited and they were so happy. They took the seed and pots to their home. After few days, all the children were talking about their plants. So all are receiving the pot as well as the seed to their home. Right? Now they are talking with each other about their plant. Akash said, my plant has grown this big. Sanya said, my plant has 3 leaves now. But Sujata was quiet and sad. So all were growing the plant. But Sujata was very sad. Come, let's see. Her plants had not grown at all. She watered her pot twice a day and keep it in sunlight. But nothing grew from the seed that Miss Patel I had given her. See here, Sujata was quite and sad because her plant had not grown. All others' plants are growing, but Sujata's plant is not growing at all. And even though she is watering the pot twice a day and keep it in sunlight too. Why? Because while growing a plant, it is necessary to the plant to be in sunlight as well as good water to grow, right? But nothing grew from the seed that Miss Patel had given her. Sujata could not grow the plant even though she is putting into the sunlight and also putting water for twice a day. Okay, let's see. Next class, continuation of this lesson will be there. Please watch carefully. Thank you, Kutties.